In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Incognito Mode in Google Chrome. So, an example now, if I go and open this up, it shall open and it's working. But I want to remove it. So what I'll have to do is simply go and type Windows R. And here, we'll have to type the following. And hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll have to click on yes. And in here, let me just zoom out for you. So you should find this. So in here, you'll find your computer. Just go and click on that. Make sure to click on, let me just zoom a little bit again. And for you, wait. So here we are. Just go to HK local machine. And here, go to software. And click on whatever you want. Then click on P. So it's going to take us to P's. And we'll have to go and open policies. So in policies, if you find like Google, and inside like a Google folder, you find Chrome, that's good. If not, you'll have to right click on policies and click on new, or hover new, then click on key. Here, this one name is Google. Hit the enter button. And inside this Google, you'll have to right click, new, key, and name it Chrome. With a big, of course, in Google, big G, in Chrome, big C. Hit the enter button. And now, once we are in Chrome, we can just go here, right click, new, key. Oh, sorry, not key. Wait, I'll have to remove that key. You can just go and click on here, remove it, click on yes, and here we are. So just new, and here you'll have to choose the word 32-bit value. So for the name of this, it should be incognito. Make sure it's a big I, and make sure just to type whatever I type. So incognito, this mode with a big M, availability with a big A. Availability. Of course, make sure do not make any like spelling mistakes, because it will not work if you make any spelling mistakes. Once it works, you can just go and double click on that, or right click and click on modify. And here, an example, you'll be able to enter a new value. For you, it should be 1. Make sure to click on OK, and all good. You can just go now and close this. So as an example, once you close this, if you go and close your Google Chrome, and simply now go here, you'll not be able to click it, as you can see. Even if I try to click it, I'll not be able to click incognito. Let's try an example to use the shortcut of it, which is Ctrl+Shift+N. So Ctrl+Shift+N, as you can see, it will not open. Ctrl+N will open a new window as it works as an example, but Ctrl+Shift+N will not work my incognito mode. So this will work, but this wouldn't work. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.